Hello folks, this is the first part in the series of continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. Jenkins is a preferred tool to achieve CI/CD. So in this part we will discuss Jenkins installation. One of the prerequisites for Jenkins installation is that you need to have JDK 8 installed on your system. For JDK 8 installation, you can refer my previous video of JDK 11 installation. Once installed, you can refer to the first command on the screen to switch to JDK 8. And with the second command, you can verify the JDK version in use on the system. Let's execute the command to add Jenkins repository. Now you need to include the URL for the Jenkins repository in sources.list file. Just get to the end of the file using down arrow and add the following lines. Make sure that there is a space between the forward slash and the word Debian. Now write the changes using Ctrl O and exit the file using Ctrl X. Now execute the command to get the latest stable version of Jenkins. And finally execute the command to install Jenkins. To check Jenkins was installed and is running, enter following command. The active status shows that the Jenkins is running now. Here it also shows that Jenkins will run as a service. You need to open port 8080 to allow Jenkins to communicate. If you are using the default UFW firewall, then enter the following. Check the last entry, you can see that port 8080 is now allowed. Now let's access Jenkins on port 8080. You'll get a screen asking for administrator password. Just copy the path and paste into the terminal. Use the cat command appended with the path we just copied. You can see the alphanumeric string in the output, which is the administrator password. Copy it and paste it in here and click on continue. Click on install suggested plugins. Wait for the plugins to install. It will take around 10 minutes. Now to create the first admin user, fill in the required details. Here I am creating a dummy admin user. Click on save and continue. Click on save and finish. Jenkins is now ready for use. You can now see the first page after login. That's all for today guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos.